guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'll be showing you some footage of our latest Queensland CJ Owners event. So every month we hold a different event for our group. This month we'll be doing a mountain run and ending up at a pub for lunch. So we'll actually be driving along two different mountain roads. We're expecting a pretty decent turnout. So at the start of the day, the four of us here in this clip decided to meet up and just all drive to the north side meeting point at the bottom of the mountain together to meet up the rest of the group. Unfortunately today I couldn't take my car. I have a bit of an exhaust issue that's come up, but so I'm just driving Letitia's Ralliart Sportsback and sort of sharing the driving with her. So yeah, I'll show you some of the footage of us all heading north, and we'll see the rest of the cars that we met up with when we got there. Okay guys, so this was our north side main meeting point. So we're just all parked up at the bottom of the mountain here, which we'll be leaving soon and driving up. And yeah, as you can see, we've got a great variety of cars, all Lancer models, but yeah, different types. So we have a few Evos, a few Ralliarts, both sedan and hatch, and we have plenty of the NA non-turbo sort of base model Lancers of different types. So it's definitely aimed to be an inclusive group, so we're not trying to just have Evos and just Ralliarts or anything. We want some of the guys who have the NA model Lancers to come along, because a lot of those guys end up upgrading into Ralliarts and Evos, as a few of the guys here today have done. So yeah, we got a decent turnout in this one. I think we had 21 or 22 cars total, and we all headed off up the mountain. I got a bit of footage of the driving, which I'll put next. A bit of it is sort of camera being held back and looking behind, and a bit with the GoPro strapped to my head. Didn't get any footage of us at the pub, as we're all just kind of hanging out and chatting, having a beer and some lunch. But yeah, we'll cut to the rest of the footage now. So I hope you enjoy the video, and some nice cars driving along a great road.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
So that was the end of the mountain part of the day. After that, we all just ended up at the pub, had some lunch and some drinks, and just hung out there for a bit. After that, everyone headed off their separate ways to head home, and the few of us that started off the day together all decided to cruise back down the motorway so I could try and get some rolling shots of the cars. So hope you enjoy the footage from here. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of the video there. Really hope you've enjoyed watching. I will try and get better at filming these, as I'll do a video of each event that we do, which will be every month. So yeah, I'll try and get better at filming. Just sometimes can get a bit hard trying to talk to everyone, run around organising everything, as well as try and get plenty of clips for the video. But yeah, really hope you did enjoy watching. If you did, please like and subscribe. It would really help the channel. And until next one, I'll see you guys later.